Do you want to know how to make 137? No, I'm kidding, that's not me. But wait. I mean, that could be me or you. You see these channels? They made some good damn buck for only posting Reddit clips. Most of them don't even read the text themselves and still are monetized. So here are my secrets for a successful YouTube automation business through Reddit. I know this was popular a while back, but I've seen a couple channels explode lately, and knowing how easy this is to do, I gotta show you how to fill your pocket with honestly not a lot of effort. Those thinking that you can't get monetized for reposting Reddit stories, you're simply wrong. First of all, you'll need to know that we'll be utilizing shorts, meaning you gotta understand YouTube shorts and how their viewers think before we start. See, shorts is becoming more and more like TikTok back in the days. They blow up random videos and have barely any consistency. Yes, I know, that sounds pretty horrible, but listen, it's not that bad honestly. Now, nobody actually knows how the algorithm works, not even me if you thought so. No, nobody. You can still see patterns and improve your chances of getting consistent views by watching out on a few things. Our biggest factor to the formula of success is our video pacing and editing. This means how often does something interesting happen or grabs our attention. You could either spend hours on editing or simply add a let's play in the background. More and more short channels that are posting stories as voiceovers and then adding Minecraft jump and runs or GTA clips in the background literally explode. And this is where Reddit comes into play. Not for the gameplay, but for our stories. Obviously, to tell an interesting story, we gotta have an interesting story. So, while the weirdest and most interesting people at the same time are on Reddit, why not take our script from there? There are countless Reddits like Ask Reddit, True Off My Chest, or Tifu. Now, believe me, there definitely are some fucked up stories. Today, I fucked up by eating a hot sauce called Butthole Destroyer. Choose your stories wisely or you'll end up in a madhouse. But at the same time, that's exactly what we want. Funny and even weird stories that we can use for our channel. For the voiceover, I definitely recommend doing it yourself, because AI voice, first of all, doesn't sound good at all and has absolutely zero recognition value, which getting is hard enough as it is with our channel. If you still would like to use AI because you don't feel comfortable speaking into a mic or just don't have good enough mic quality, head over to 11 Labs where you can choose from multiple AI voices and adjust the articulation. In case you decided to record it yourself, I can recommend going to the Adobe Podcast website where they have a speech enhancer. For the background, you can either just slap some gameplay in the back, which requires pretty much no effort, or you can do it the hard way and edit stock photos and effects over your story. If you'd ask me, I'd just stick to the game, cause I mean, we don't want to work, do we? It even keeps up with the stock videos or maybe even outperforms them, cause hell yeah, we all used to watch Minecraft or GTA clips when we were younger. Editing is super easy for this video style. You won't even need an expensive software, just something free like DaVinci or CapCut, and slap your Reddit screenshots on top and then the let's play in the lower half. Add your voiceover, maybe some subtitles. I'd also recommend blurring the Reddit text that hasn't been read yet, so the viewer needs to watch the full video to get to the hook. For those low effort shorts, it's more quantity based, even though in my last video I explained that for YouTube it's mostly quality over quantity. So try to upload at least once a day and try coming up with some catchy titles. Since it's shorts, we can save some time which we would normally use to create a thumbnail and put it into the title as well as more videos. Then create a channel and upload them each individually. Boom, you are going viral. You are getting the cash. You're even gonna get retired in probably 2 to 3 months because you're making so much money.